Yeah, we don't know shit in Negus. Yeah. Been together since the days of our fetus. Yeah. All of the girl them greet us and them see us and them need to. Hey. Hey.
Yeah.
What me say? Hey.
One nation and I am our nation.
What me say? Hey.
One nation and I am our nation.
Hey.
Hey, 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 hey.
Short nigga, big walker. Piss him off, I'm a shit talker. She like to call me daddy, but I ain't got no kids, nigga. Which daughter? Flow stinker than shit water. Leave him pissed when I shit on him. Y'all don't know loyalty, which on a nickname Nintendo, how they switched on me like,
They switch.
I went low key, came back and then changed the flavoration.
Shun.
Weed out the snakes, then me rise up in my nation.
Shun.
It is what it is, I don't need to be around no waste man. Make money stick to the plan. What me say? Eagle. Remington. Them boy they don't have no relevance. Them teeth my style and I tell me thanks. Them teeth my style and I tell me thanks. Eagle. Remington. Them boy they don't have no relevance. Them teeth my style and I tell me thanks. But what me do? Me down to earth like the Flintstone. Me down to earth like my big toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Keep it real, never trick, never pretend no. Everything real deal from head to toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Yeah, me down to earth like the Flintstone. Javinci tell me if you watch my friend do. You lost straight up some corny niggas. You cannot hold back a flows and nigga the position that I'm in. The boss is in that position up how you don't want me in it. I couldn't tell me where you were talking minutes. Now your girl pennies, I'm all up in it. Beware turbulence when I launch. They mess up with this so far, she saying her tongue, she stickle. I got some for the strap I could give her. Some weed that's a very good sex for my nigga. Like me that make between her legs run a river. Before she get bent in pretzel positions. I got some for the strap I could give her. Some weed that's a very good sex for my nigga. Like me that make between her legs run a river. Before she get bent in pretzel positions. Hey.